Let's look at how to review a game. We can review a game online, like this. So we open it in a private and English game room, then we can look at it and we can use this board to explore. See, this is the main branch of the game and everything that's differing, our exploration, is over there. Okay, so let's look at tools. We have the move tool, which is basically, okay, we're moving along. We have the edit tool, which lets us place stones. If we hold shift, then we change the color of the stone to white. And we can also remove the stones. Score tool. It will show us the score, but if we click on a stone like this, then it will assume that the stone is dead, and since there's no closed territory here, the whole board would become white, or no bodies if I click again. So there are also triangle, square, circle, label and number tools, which is triangles, squares, circles, the label tool, which you can use to show letters, or if you hold shift, you can create a label up to 3 letters. There's also a number tool, which lets you create numbers on the board, or if you hold shift, you can click on a move and it will show the moves number. Okay, so number moves. If you click number moves, then all of the moves will be numbered. It's generally very intuitive, so just try it yourself. If there were more people here at this board, we could give control, which means that they could just do the same things that we've just seen. If we want to take the control back, then we just take the control back. Or we can set players, which means we just type the nicks of the people here and here that we want to play. Or yeah, we can just take the control back after they finish. Or we can quiet the chat, which means nobody will be able to chat. Okay, so you can click with the right mouse button and then give control to any player from the list. Then the player could place moves. See? So now Percival has placed a move I didn't make, and I can take back the control by just giving control back to me. See? I will select myself, then give control, and then I have the control back. If you want to view the game offline, then we can either download the SGF file and open it like this, or we can click view offline from the options, as you could have seen from a different video. This list has been shortened a little because we're the only person at this board right now, because it's opened locally on our computer. And there are some other options here. For example, if we create a variation, then this variation could be cut like this and then paste it, for example here. But this variation could also be cut here and pasted here, which doesn't make sense at all right now, but you can do it in a situation where it would make sense.